Welcome to our channel Vital Signs. Let's journey together towards a healthier future. The magic of apple cider vinegar. 10 incredible benefits and delicious ways to use it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Vital Signs. Today, we have a special topic that's been making waves in the world of health and wellness, apple cider vinegar, or ACV. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of ACV, explore its 10 remarkable benefits, delve into how to incorporate it into your diet, and discuss the ideal daily dosage. So, grab your notepads because you won't want to miss this. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on our empowering health content. Let's get started. What is apple cider vinegar? Let's kick things off by understanding what ACV actually is. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from crushed apples, sugar, and yeast. It's been used for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. 10 incredible benefits of apple cider vinegar. Now, the exciting part. We've got 10 incredible benefits of ACV to share with you. Strap in because these are seriously impressive. 1. Digestive health. ACV can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and alleviate indigestion. 2. Weight management. It may help with weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and supporting metabolism. 3. Blood sugar control. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. 4. Heart health. Some studies suggest that it may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Skin and hair. ACV can be a game changer for clearer skin and shinier hair. 6. Immune boost. Its natural antimicrobial properties can help fortify your immune system. 7. Detoxification. ACV supports the body's natural detox processes. 8. Appetite control. It can curb cravings and prevent overeating. 9. Antioxidants. Packed with antioxidants, it helps combat free radicals. 10. Gut health. ACV can promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall well-being. How to consume ACV. Now, let's talk about the fun part: how to consume ACV. The easiest way is to dilute it with water. 1 teaspoon, 10 milliliters, per day, either used in cooking or mixed in a glass of water. Here's a simple recipe for you. 1. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of ACV with 8-10 ounces of water. 2. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. Incorporating ACV into your diet. But why stop there? You can get creative with ACV in your meals. 1. Salad dressing. ACV makes a zesty salad dressing when mixed with olive oil, garlic, and Dijon mustard. 2. Marinades. Use it as a marinade for meats or tofu to add a tangy kick. 3. Morning shot. Try a morning shot with ACV, honey, and warm water to kickstart your day. 4. Smoothies. Add a splash of ACV to your favorite smoothie for a unique twist. 5. Pickling. Experiment with pickling your own vegetables using ACV. One crucial point to remember: moderation is key when it comes to ACV. Always dilute it to protect your teeth and throat. If you have underlying health conditions or concerns, consult a healthcare professional for guidance before you start consuming apple cider vinegar. And there you have it. The magic of apple cider vinegar. With these 10 incredible benefits, you now have every reason to make ACV a part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Thanks for watching.